Hello and welcome to Synder. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign a class to a line in your invoice in QuickBooks with the help of the Smart Rules feature. As it's quite a common request, we created a template for you so that you can only customize it and set up the rule really quickly. So go to Smart Rules and click Templates. Find the Set Line class in Invoice and click Try It Out. Here you can see the rule made of 3 blocks: the trigger, the condition, and the result that is going to happen in QuickBooks. So whenever Synder creates an invoice in your QuickBooks and line class is not set there, QuickBooks is going to update this invoice and assign a class to a line in your invoice. So in order to edit this rule and to adjust it to your needs, click the last block and select Set QuickBooks Entity Data. Here you see how your invoice is going to look like in QuickBooks, but basically we do not need to change anything apart from the class information. So we select the class we want to assign and click Submit. Now you can rename the rule so that you can identify it in the list of other rules and click Save Rule. Now let's synchronize one transaction and see what happens. Let's select one invoice payment for testing and click Sync. Now let's take a look at the result in QuickBooks. So here you can see that Synder created an invoice in my QuickBooks and assigned the needed class to the line in this invoice. Now you know how to do this with the help of the Smart Rules feature.